Welcome to the vegan method. In this video I'm making tofu tikka flatbreads. For this recipe I have got 280 grams of extra firm tofu which has been cut into slices. You can cube them into smaller pieces if you want to make more kebabs. I've got one red onion, one red pepper and one green pepper, and I've cut these up into strips as well, roughly the same size as the tofu. For the marinade I've got a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 garlic cloves, half an inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon of lime juice and a cup of Greek yogurt. I've also got some flatbreads which are just shop bought and some salad. So the plain Greek yogurt has the lime juice added to it, which will give it a zingy taste. And then I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic, and I'm using a garlic press to smush it through so it's not got too big chunks in the marinade. Then we're going to add the chili powder and the garam masala into the yogurt and give it a good stir. Once the spices are fully mixed into the yogurt, I'm going to add the marinade to the tofu, then add the vegetables to the bowl and add some more marinade to that. Ideally you'd leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours to soak up the flavour, but this time I cooked it straight away. It still tasted good, but the longer you leave a marinade it usually tastes better. I've got some bamboo skewers which have been soaking in water so they don't burn in the oven, and I'm going to thread the tofu and the vegetables onto the skewers and they will go in the oven under the grill for about 20 minutes. Remember to turn them so they don't burn on one side, but when the vegetables start to blacken and you'll see the tofu get a little bit crispy, that is when they are done. So now all I've done is place them on the flatbread with a little bit of salad. I'm adding a sprinkling of mint because I always like mint with tikka, and I've added a little bit of hot sauce and they are ready to eat. The recipe is below in the comments, and I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe or leave your comments below.